My last website that I wanted to share is called Dad's Worksheets. As you can see, you have to deal with a lot of advertisements, but it's free. This is one of the newer ones I found, and you can see on the left-hand side all the different things there are to do. There are holiday things. My kids really like for math these color by number. It, kids like to color, I like to color, so they have to kind of earn that coloring by working the math problems. I also like they have a section for patterns and puzzles. So this is really nice because it's using logic skills and thinking. Um, there are logic grid puzzles, which is something that I show my students how to do because I think it helps them with their logic and reasoning skills. I make them do them at least once a week. Some kids really hate it. Some kids are kind of on the fence, and a lot of kids really love it. Regardless, I make them do it because I think it helps keep your brain sharp. But the one thing, I'm not done exploring on this website, but the one thing that I like that I've used so far is this printables area. So my favorite thing here, let me see if I can find it, was the fraction chart. I thought it was presented, well, it was presented in a really cool way that I've never seen before. I like this one a lot because of the black background. Let's see. It presents equivalent fractions in a very different way, like I said, a way that I haven't ever seen before. And I am a really visual person. I like things to be in color, so I probably will use the ink and print a class set of these in color and laminate them just because I think they're really cool, and that's just kind of the type of teacher I am. I like to have things like that. Um, it also shows multiplication charts in just kind of a different way. Let's see, instead of just always the grid way, where was the one? They have a bunch of different ones. I can't find the one that I want at the moment, but again, I'm always drawn to the ones that are in color like that. So that's probably something that I will end up wasting printer ink on just because I think they're pretty and I think the kids will like them, and I will laminate them and reuse them. So I'm excited to explore the rest of this site. I think it's great that there's something out there with this many things that's free. That's always a bonus for a teacher. We're always looking for things that are free. We have some long division worksheets, which is a skill that I worked on in summer school a lot this summer with my kids. So you can choose with remainders, without remainders. I just really like how you can control and set your parameters. Thank you.